Okay, here's the video. Sunday morning, July 5th, and there is a little baby boy in that belly right there. Right there, little baby boy. She is taking this little baby boy, and she is going to the hospital, and she's going to have a baby. Continue watching. Let's see what happens. Wish us luck. Okay, we are now leaving the building. Here's the car. Our friend Sonia, say hello. Hello, hello, hola, hola. They're in the car, and we're going to the hospital. I'm gonna have a baby boy. I think a baby boy. He's gonna be 3, American, Peru, and Mexican. Okay, we're here. This is our friend Sonia. Sonia, say hello, hola. There's the little girl, little baby girl having a baby boy. I hope. Let's see what happens. He might be, we don't know what he's going to be. American, Peru, or Mexicano. I don't know. Maybe from Jupiter, right? But hopefully he's going to come out healthy and alive and all the fingers and toes. And we got our Excelente Fantastico Amiga here. She's helping us. So keep watching the video. We'll let you know what happens with the baby. Okay, we are now at the hospital. She's right there. The doctor is here. He just confirmed he's here. So now we're going over to, I think, fill out some paperwork like normal in normal hospital. Okay, now we're here. This is where you check in to go to the emergency. Well, the emergency room is over here. This is where you check in to go into the hospital. A normal person who's, well, no, you know, she's going to have a baby. So, but you can see over here, there's a tent. They have a tent, and there's people right there. I think they're waiting to be seen for the, the coronavirus. So we want to stay away from those people, okay? So we're gonna wash our hands right here, and then we're gonna get her, Anna Gabriella, checked in to hopefully have a baby. Yeah, so this is life in the Caribbean. You know, a lot of people ask me questions all over Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, LinkedIn, my YouTube channels, TikTok. You know, James, what do you do? How do you make money? You're living in the Caribbean, but traveling the world. Okay, there's 2 ways I make money, actually 3 ways. Number 1, I show people how to make money online. And number 2, I show people how to invest in real estate. Number 3, we sell products online. So you can sell your own product online, you can teach people how to sell products online, and you can invest your money into real estate, which is the number 1 way to become rich any country, anywhere in the world. So what I do is I show people how to take the money they have, invest it into an online business, create hundreds of thousands of dollars, hopefully every month or 2 or 3, and then you take that money, most of it, 75 to 80% of your money, and you just buy properties, rental properties, duplexes, fourplexes, apartment buildings, hotels, resorts, and you make a fortune in real estate, packing all of your money into real estate. Do not buy a house, do not pay a bank a mortgage on a house, and do not put your money into anything that is not earning a high return on your investment. How about buying and owning 20 properties and renting them out on Airbnb and making 25 to 30% on your money monthly? That's how you get rich. Now, right over here across from the hospital, this is the emergency room area. That's where you go into the hospital. They got a little store. Well, it's like a little restaurant, and they make Mexican food, tacos, tortillas, empanadas, basic food, very cheap. For $1 or $2, you can fill your belly. So that's the good news. They got food, excellent Mexican food, right there, and it's dirt cheap. Let's go get a taco. All right, well, I'm just going to take a little walk here. They got her inside now. They're going to cut her belly open, and she's going to have a little baby boy. Pray for us, and hopefully he's got all of his fingers and toes and his eyes and a little pee-pee and a couple of little balls. And but he's being born in Mexico. I could have never dreamt in my life that I would have a little boy in Mexico, from half American, and the mom is from Peru. Think about that. Is that crazy? The mom's from Peru, the father's from America, and we're having the baby in Mexico. What the? And I'm just taking a little walk here, taking a little break. They're having the baby right now. So he'll pop out, and then they'll go clean him up, and literally within 60 to 90 minutes, he'll have a little baby boy. Hopefully they'll let me in to see him, right? But I'm just showing you how life here in Mexico works. Right across from the hospital, check out this little fruit stand. It is amazing, fresh fruit coming right here from the jungle. They got limes, tomatoes. Hola! They got tomatoes, onions, red onions, bananas, eggs, avocado. Look at that. Look at that. I think that's an avocado. Mango. I think that's mango. Potatoes. Those are called papas. Potato. Lime. Look at these fresh limes. They got watermelon. Look at that watermelon. Wow. That looks really good. And then they got, these are naranja, oranges, or green. And then he's got chickens over here. Look at that chicken. See the chicken? Look at that pollo. Wow. Check that out. That looks really cool. Oh, she's gonna chop it. She's gonna chop the chicken right there. Look at it. Wow, excelente. I gotta get her. Look at, she's cutting the chicken. Look at that. Look at that. Wow. She's gonna take the off the. Look at that. Wow, absolutely amazing. Look at that chicken. I think we're gonna have some chicken. So now I'm inside the store. Check out all this fruit, guys. Fresh peppers, red chili peppers, jalapenos. Look at this. Jalapeno peppers. Look at that jalapeno pepper. Look at that. Amazing. Love peppers. Red hot chili peppers. I love their music, by the way. You've got cucumbers. Look at the cucumbers. Look at the size of that cucumber. Wow. Excelente. This is garlic. Carrot. Look at the size of these carrots. Wow. And carrots on steroids. Excellent. Cabbage. They got onions, Chinese onions, pineapple. Check out that pineapple. Excellent. Look at this fruit, all fresh. This is all fresh. And a lot of this stuff, every 2 or 3 days, they bring in more fresh fruit right from the jungle. Excelente. This place is amazing. Wow. Check this out. Apples. Oh, look at all this stuff. These are dried peppers. And seasoning. Look at all the seasoning. Wow, look at this. Hola! Look at all the seasoning. Everybody's nice. Everybody's nice here. Very peaceful beach village. Amazing. In the Caribbean. Check out all the spices. Look at all the spices. And then you got papaya. Look at that. That's papaya. Look at this papaya. Wow! That is fresh. Papaya? Yeah, papaya. Look at that. Very healthy for you. Okay, so here we go. Towards the end of the day here. Sunday, July 5th, right after July 4th, my little girl is in the hospital. She delivered a baby boy. He is in excellent condition. My Mexicano friend, Sonia, went to the hospital, and she got the update because they wouldn't let me in because of the COVID-19 coronavirus. And she said he looks excelente. So they took him in to clean him up and wash him off, and then the mother will have him tonight in the bed, and she'll sleep there. Now, I just stopped at the store here real quick to get a congratulations cerveza. I'm not going to go crazy, but I'm definitely going to have a beer. This is called Modelo. My sponsor is Modelo for my videos and all of my social network videos all over Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, Twitter, YouTube, TikTok, Snapchat, you name it. Modelo is sponsoring this ad right now, so I got to say Modelo, Modelo. Order Modelo beer. Modelo. It's excelente Mexicano beer, cerveza. So, we got a baby boy. Congratulations. Keep watching, because I'm going to show you when I go to the hospital tomorrow give you an update on how the baby looks and send you some pictures and photos, and maybe you just say some congratulations. 51 years old. 51 years old. I'm still killing it. My juice is still excellent. And I got a little baby boy in Mexico, baby. Woohoo! And in soccer, they say, oopa! Let's celebrate. I'm going to the rooftop pool. Oh, keep watching, because I'm going to show you how I make money online and how I can teach you how to make money online with me in 1 hour, in 1 day. And you can start making money. So if you're sitting at home right now, or you're sitting in your office, or at your job, or you don't even have a job, do you need to make an extra $10,000 a month? I'll show you how to do it. Okay, so here we go. I'm heading to the hospital. This is day 2. She had the baby yesterday around 3 o'clock in the afternoon, but because of the coronavirus still going on, they only allow, I got the baby bag, full of baby stuff. They only allow 1 hour of visitation today between 10 and 11 a.m. And look, I almost fell in that hole. Welcome to the Caribbean in Mexico, having a baby. So, his name is Patrick James Periona Harris. Woohoo! I'm gonna go check out this little guy. Keep watching my video. Congratulations, baby. We got a little baby boy. Let's go take a look at him. Okay, here we are. Look at this little baby. He is 1 day old. 1 day, not even 1 day. When did you have him? Yesterday at 3? He's not even 24 hours old. There he is. Look at that little baby. Look at him. Wow. Look, oh, he's yawning. Look, he's yawning. Look at that little guy. I think this is the mom. I don't know. We're gonna check. Oh my God! But look at that. That's a brand new baby. Brand new baby. Not even 24 years old. Does he look like me? Wow. Look at him. Well, there you go. Life in Mexico, living in the Caribbean. What a beautiful day, right? Look at that little baby boy. Whew, keep watching. Okay, so I'm here in the hospital getting ready to leave with the baby. Here's the bill. I just paid the bill. It was about 7,000 pesos. Plus I had to pay the doctor another 10,000, so the total was about 17,000 pesos total, which in US dollars, that's about, shit, I don't even know. I gotta calculate it. Hold on, I'm gonna tell you that on another video. Carrying this little baby home. Look at this little baby. Look at him. Look at that. Look at him. Can you see him? Look at that. There he is. I don't know if you can see him there. Can you see him? That's a little bit. Hold on. Look, he's yawning. There he is. There he is. See him? Let's go, baby. You want to learn how to make a lot of money on the internet, and make a lot of money? Well, he just took a shit. I think he just took a poop and he's taking a shit right here, right now. So we got the baby here in the car during the coronavirus. Look at that little baby. Look at that little guy. Look at him. Look at him. There he is. There's the mama. There's our taxi driver. Hola, Adnan, say hello. Hola. Okay. He's our new best friend because he picked us up from the hospital, and you have no idea what I just went through to get this baby out of the hospital. Okay, so here I'm in the back of the taxi right now. We got some Kentucky Fried Chicken with my friend. Say hola. Adnan, hola. Hola. Sí, mi amigo. Special amigo. And we got some Kentucky Fried Chicken, and I got a little bottle of wine to celebrate the baby. A little rojo vino, just a celebration. No crazy, no mucho loco. We just go simple, and we have a little celebration at the rooftop pool with the baby. He's only 2 days old, and I'll show you exactly what it looks like in the next video. So keep watching, guys. And at the same time, how would you learn how to? You want to learn how to make a lot of money on the internet with me? Even when I'm buying a Kentucky Fried Chicken and having a baby, buying a bottle of wine. I just got them from the hospital, and I only spent about $700 to have a baby in Mexico. How would you like to learn how to do that? Oh,